Do you want to learn how to paint with watercolor tubes? Welcome to the newest segment of our Artistry class series, Exploring Watercolor Tubes. This follow-up to our Painting 101 with Watercolor Tubes class, an introduction to 8 brand new Artists Watercolor Tube colors. In this class, I will teach about the new Artists Watercolor Tubes, along with some tips and tricks. I will also create watercolor art with the new colors and a few colors from the previous batch. Here's why you will love this class. Students will enjoy lifetime access to all the class materials after signing up. Enjoy exclusive class content whenever, wherever, and how many times you'd like. Watercolor painting made easy with beginner-friendly tips and ideas. I'm so excited to have you for this special edition class. Let's watercolor together.